Kezia, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm building.
You're building? What are you building?
I'm building a tower.
A tower? Where did you learn to build a tower?
My teacher taught me.
Your teacher? Who's your teacher?
Mommy.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Colley.
Mrs. Colley.
Mommy.
Did you learn from the box over there how to build?
Mommy.
Yeah. I think Karis wants mommy. I should go back out there. You're doing a great job. I love you.
She said, Mommy.
She's got the hiccups. I love you.
Mommy.
I love you, Bear. Kezia Bear. Kezia Bear, look at mommy. I love you. Thanks.